Hi, I'm Tim Gibson, and I'm going to talk to you about how to fix a refrigerator. Now, refrigerators can be fairly complicated pieces of machinery or appliance within your kitchen. So if you have a significant problem with it, most likely you're going to have to contact a qualified service center to come in and check out and repair your refrigerator. But there are some things that you can do yourself just to check on if it happens to be working right. Now, one of the problems we have is if we have where our temperature, if it's not getting as cold as it should be in either the freezer or the refrigerator compartment, then what we want to do as a homeowner is we want to check down here at the base. And down here at the base there is a grill that runs all along the length of the refrigerator, and air is actually drawn in through this grill and goes over the condenser coils that cools the refrigerant that actually runs your refrigerator. Now, over a period of time, a lot of dust and lint and everything can build up in there. So one thing you want to do is you want to take a vacuum cleaner and you want to keep this cleaned out periodically. So if you're having some problems with your refrigerator, it could be that has just gotten so clogged up with dirt and lint that you're not getting enough airflow to cool the refrigerant and get the cooling that you need. So that's one thing you can do to check out your refrigerator and see if it's working properly. Now, if you have some problems beyond that, again, because of the sophistication of these systems, then you probably need to contact a qualified service company to come and take a look at it for you. So I'm Tim Gibson with How to Fix a Refrigerator.